Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for 2018 and up Kia Rios, the 95 and 99 7391B. This kit is painted a scratch-resistant matte black. Difference in them being is the 95 is specifically designed for a double-din install and the 99 for a single-din. To finalize this install, visit Metra online for your wiring harness options, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-KI11 and steering wheel controls will be the ASWC-1. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.